Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to write a perfect SEO article using Google NotebookLM. So it's really simple, just copy the text from the SEO product description, search it in Google and copy everything, and then all you can do, just ask him to write me a perfect SEO article. And as you will see in a minute, he will write it for you. So let me just wait for the answer. And as you can see, it gives you a perfect one. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.